What is up, guys? It's Raul TV, Team R for you. Well, we're back again in the garage, and this time round what we're doing is I've got a nice easy job for you guys, right? You know Raul TV, I won't give you something hard to do. Nice and easy, have a relax, have a chill, have a drink. Right, what we're doing is we're gonna replace what's happening on this, guys. The indicators are not working, right? So the first thing you would do is check the bulbs, see if the bulbs are all right. If the bulbs are all right, check if the wiring's okay, everything, things like that, you know, the obvious things, okay? If it's still not working, right, or if it's all staying on, basically on this one, when I turned the indicator on, it was just solid, amber, it wasn't flashing. So which means it's the flasher unit. We need to go ahead and replace the flasher unit. It's down here, let's go, let's do it. Right, it's a 2005 55 plate Honda Civic, 2005 that is, petrol. It should be the same on the diesel. Shouldn't be really different. Flasher unit should be exactly the same. Let's do it, let's go. Right, guys, first things first, we need to take this little panel off, which is a little clip here, screw, whatever you want to call it, plastic, and then that just pulls straight out. Yeah, happy days. And we're going to go underneath now. Okay, guys, I'm on the driver's side, well, the footwell that is. And as you can see there's the fuse box, and that here is the bad boy. That's the flasher unit. The thing is, this has been modified. Somebody in the past has modified it. What you would normally have is a little clip here to hold the flasher unit on, the relay on, basically. Right, can you see it's been broken off there? Somebody's broken it off. So what we do is just pull that straight out. Makes my life even easier. In there. There we go, that's the one. I mean, I'm going to fit an aftermarket one on. I would recommend you just go fit a one from Honda. I mean, aftermarket's alright. If you go for a decent make, like a Cambia or something like that, it should be okay. That's the voltage and everything, outage. Yeah, right, let's go, let's fit the new one. As you can see there, it's not rocket science. 3 cutouts there for these 3 pins. Yeah, and all we do is just line it up and bang it straight on. I know my hand's in the way, but sorry guys, there we go. Straight on, no messing. Relay's on, or the flasher unit is on. Happy days, let's go, let's try it. There we go, guys, the flasher unit is working, indicators are working, there's the hazard working, indicate right, that's working, indicate left, that's working, nice flashing. Before it was just stuck on, and that's it. 2 minutes job. Saves you from going from Honda to the main agents. Do it yourself. That's it, guys. That's how we replace the flasher unit or flasher unit relay or flasher relay, whatever you want to call it, on a Honda Civic, 2005 Honda Civic petrol. Dead easy job. Do it outside your house and chill. Right, anyway guys, like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section. Hope this video helps you guys out. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, guys, and smash the like button. Yeah, smash it. And yeah, and I'll see you guys soon.